Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create QR code for Google Drive file. This is a great way to quickly share files and folders with anyone using a simple QR code. First, open Google Drive and create a new folder. To do this, click on the New button and select New Folder. Give your folder a name and then click Create. Once the folder is created, open it. You can now upload any files you want to share inside this folder. To create a QR code for the folder, right-click on the folder name and select Share, then click Share again. Next, go to General Access and change the setting to Anyone with the link. This is important because anyone who scans the QR code will need permission to access the folder. After changing the access settings, copy the folder link. Now, open a new browser tab and search for a QR code generator website. There are many available online, but you can use any trusted QR code generator you prefer. Paste your Google Drive folder link into the QR code generator. From there, you can customize the QR code by changing the frame, shape, or even adding a logo if you want. For a simple setup, you can leave the default settings and click the Download button to save the QR code as an image file. Once downloaded, your QR code will link directly to your Google Drive folder. You can use this QR code on posters, documents, presentations, or anywhere else you want to share your folder quickly and easily. That's it. Now you know how to create a custom QR code for a Google Drive folder. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more useful tutorials.